So we're doing the same thing with the new problem, but it's not so nice. It's x squared minus 12x plus 35. And we first of all need to be in vertex form. So we're actually going to find the axis of symmetry first. I'm going to write A of S, the axis of symmetry, and do x equals negative b over 2a so that we can complete the square and put this in vertex form. So a equals 1, b is negative 12, and c is 35. So x equals opposite of b, so opposite of negative 12, over 2 times 1, or 12 over 2. So x equals 6 is the axis of symmetry. That's part of our answers. So we know that if we look at the original equation, I'm going to put a little space here, x squared minus 12x. Okay, I want to get rid of that plus 35, so I'm going to subtract 35 from both sides. So I get y minus 35 equals x squared minus 12x. Now, let me put a little blank here and a blank here for both sides, okay? So we know x equals 6 should work here, so we know our answer is whatever's in front, bring it down, that's a 1, x minus 6, notice it's the same sign, squared. Now, what number did we add to both sides? Well, plug in 0. 0 minus 6 times 1 squared is 36. So I'm going to add 36 to both sides. Okay? Now, if we simplify this, negative 35 plus 36 is just y plus 1. So y plus 1 equals 1x minus 6 squared. It's now, to complete the square is finished. So our vertex has got to be x equals 6. We already know that. And then y has to be, what's the opposite that adds to 1? So it would be negative 1. So we come over here to 6 and go down 1. Our a is positive, so we're going to go up. Okay, so we've graphed it. We found the vertex. We found the axis of symmetry. Now we're going to find the focus. So a equals 1 over 4p. So a is 1. 1 equals 1 over 4p. Cross multiply, you get 4p equals to 1. Divide by 4, p is 1/4. So that means we're going to take this vertex, and since we're right above it, the focus would be, we'll add 1/4 to negative 1. So the focus is 6, and then we're going to add negative 1 plus 1/4. Well, we plug that in our calculator, and we get negative 3/4 for the focus. And then, to find the directrix, we take the negative 1 and we subtract the 1/4. So y equals negative 1 minus 1/4. Plug that in our calculator and you get y equals negative 5/4.